It was the first time we go to this forum for Chercheurs Princes, which is a small French boutique, which managed 4.6 billion euro. So for us, it was important to give, of course, the message that our funds have a very good track record. I've taken example of Total Return Fund, which has a fantastic track record as of to date. But it was also important for us to show our DNA, the way we manage the credit portfolios, the way we manage the convertible bond portfolios, and the way, of course, we manage the total return portfolio. And it was good. I think it was, they have a good reception because we are proposing very simple funds without big leverage or things like that. And it's quite rare in this environment. We had a lot of questions, perhaps a little bit less in the first meeting because I need to explain more. But we have a lot of interrogation questions about the way we manage the funds. So it was interesting. During the session or at the end, of course.
And in general, what is your impression of the conference?
Well, very good because it is very well organized. The timing is very precise, and people, even at the last meeting, people were there. So it's very important. It's the last meeting of the last days after 3 days. So it's important for us to have attendance in this forum. We have questions, we have some interest, we have some relationships. I think it's positive. Yeah. We are not very present abroad, even if we have clients in the south of Europe and so on. So it's quite new for Chercheurs Princes Gestion to go to this type of investors. And we can propose portfolios which are very correlated to what they like.
Okay.
So it's very interesting for us.
Could you give me an example of that?
For French people, for example, total return funds are useful, but I think it's more popular abroad. So investors are able to find a lot of different funds like that. And once an investor told me that, of course, we have a very good performance, but the correlation between the funds we manage and the competitors was very low. So it is very interesting for him to add this type of funds in his selection.
What is the difference between the way you manage the funds and other competitors manage the funds?
I really don't know. I really don't know. We manage as we are feeling. It's a good way to manage the funds, and we avoid the different traps in the market in 2011, in 2013. So at the end, it's okay.
How did you avoid it? You said they were very selective in which products you picked. Are there any particular products you think?
Because we are contrariant portfolio managers, because we have the good ideas, because we had a very efficient risk control, even if we are quite a small company, but based on the common sense, not based on the very quantitative or pro-cyclical approach, I would say.